Oh yeah, look at those bad boys. The Forestry Commission. No, it's not mine. See the rocks underneath the wheels? What? I have to go here? Are you sure? I don't know. I'm going to take this one, I'm afraid. Don't forget, we still got another reservoir to scope. Yeah, I've got hiccups. Excuse me while I hold my breath. Oh, fucking hell. The rocks under the wheels are starting from rolling back, I guess. And if you want to see my face, I'll do a periscope later. This is about Hong Kong now. Hold your breath and swallow it 3 times. It's the truth, the Brits are prone to hiccups. Right, swallow 3 times, right? Okay, wait there. 1, 2. Fucking hell. That was a mad hiccup. Oh man. Whoa. Then I was faking. I was just faking it then, just to reenact the scene. That was pretty funny. Right. Fucking hell, I'm having a pissing myself. I'm by myself, laughing away. Fucking hell. We're coming up to another dam. Oh man, I'm getting hysterical. Oh, my abs are getting a workout. Oh man. Well, maybe some people will be like, what the hell is that sound? Oh, here comes a great view. Look at that. There's the other dam over there. It is beautiful. I think the hiccups have gone. Oh, I'd like to be down there. What's funny is that this scope, in the middle of it, I started hiccuping, and then I tried to stop myself hiccuping, and then I just I haven't stopped hiccuping, but then I just fell into fits of laughter. We didn't even laugh about anything. We didn't. We're not even laughing about it. We're not laughing about anything. We're laughing. This dude is looking at me like, what the fuck? Oh man, there's the other dam. Oh. Whew. Hi. Oh man, that was weird. I need to get a towel and to wash my face. A better filter. Press 1 if you were laughing. Look at that. I need to watch the replay. Ah, look at that, all those ones. How beautiful is this?